Let's go! Today we'll be unboxing the Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. And as you can see from the packaging down here, works with Alexa, and it's touch-free, mess-free, 20-second wash timer, rechargeable battery, dynamic dispensing. So these are the top features. Check out the back, makes hand washing smart. So there's a 20-second timer that lights up as you lather. This could play, if you have an Alexa, this can play music. And yeah, touch-free, keeps countertops clean, wireless design, play songs while you wash your hands. So let's see what's included. Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser, micro USB charging cable. What's required, I need liquid hand soap to fill in, and it's compatible with Echo devices and the Alexa app. Yeah, let's see, show the bottom. All right, let's get to the unboxing. These, oops. Okay, now that I got that off. Okay, so you see first right away, Amazon logo. Welcomes you, hello, Smart Soap Dispenser. Let's see, this is the information, support, brochure, how to use it, setup. Getting to know your Smart Soap Dispenser. Indicator lights. How to get started, and frequently asked questions, device support, all the normal good stuff. Set this aside. Important information. All right, the main event. All right, so cardboard covering. There we have it. Comes in white. Pull this out. Okay, definitely interesting design. All white. Let's see. Oh, white. Here's where you charge it with the micro USB cable. Interesting. Pretty clean. Looks pretty good in my opinion. Then it registers how much soap you have by how high or low you put your hand. So yeah, overall looks like what it showed in the photos. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, then it's just, let's see, oh, just